Alright y'all, so today we're doing something a little different. It's a little more of assemblage than it is cookage. But we got the Super Bowl this Sunday, so let's do some game day nachos. For this, we got some Doritos, nacho cheese Doritos. If you want spicy, go with some spicy nacho. It works. We have some Mexican style blend cheese. We got some sliced olives. We have some grape tomatoes. We have some garlic powder, some ginger, some cayenne, and some red pepper flake. We got some bacon, and we got some hamburger. As well, if you want to go with spicier, you can always add some jalapenos to this. You know, it's your game day nachos. Let's get started. Alright y'all, so we have a pound of thick cut bacon. We're just going to go ahead, cut this up into cubes. Once we have this cut up, we're going to go over to the stove. Alright y'all, so we have our bacon in a pan here. We're going to go ahead and get this cooking. And once this starts to cook, we're going to add about a pound of ground beef to it. So let me get this cooking and I'll bring you back at that point. Alright y'all, so our bacon is cooked about 75% of the way. We cooked it a little bit so we know that the pork is going to be done. Now we're just going to take and drop in about a pound of our ground beef. Get that mixed up so that beef can start to cook and also absorb that pork grease and that flavor. Now we're going to take 2 tablespoons of our garlic powder, a teaspoon of our ginger, it's a teaspoon of our cayenne, and half a teaspoon of our red pepper flake. Go ahead, get all that mixed around. Now we're just going to let this simmer on a medium-high heat, let those flavors develop, and I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so we have gone ahead, spread our chips across the cookie sheet. Now we're just going to go ahead, spoon on our meat mixture, and we're going to spoon it on, not dump it on, that way we don't get too much grease. Once you have an even mixture of your meat across your chips, we're going to go ahead, take our shredded cheese, and we're just going to cover this thing. Now if this is where you had jalapenos, you can go ahead and add your jalapenos now to this. We're just going to take some of our tomatoes. Now you can use any tomato. I'm using the grape size cherry tomatoes because you don't have to cut them. It's just easier. If you have large, you can use larger tomatoes. You just got to dice them up. Now you can do as many or as little tomato as you like. And now we're just going to take our sliced olives. Now we just go ahead, just give that a quick sprinkle of cheese. Now we're going to throw this in the oven for about 15-20 minutes until that cheese melts. That's all we need. So we got our oven at 350. I'm going to throw it in there. I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, there you have it, game day nachos. You can even serve this on this cookie sheet. People just go ahead, grab a chip, eat as they want. Serve it with some guac, some sour cream, whatever your heart desires. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. And if you want to see anything on this channel in the future, go ahead, leave a comment down below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.